Welcome to another video in the JavaScript tutorial series, and in this video we'll be looking at another form of loop called while loop. Alright, so the while loop, like its brother for loop, will actually loop through things, but the main difference between both of them is the for loop looks at the number of times the code is being iterated through, while the while loop actually looks at the condition only. So there's not much numbers involved, like in for loops, where you have the I variable which acts as the overall decider for the for loop. In a while loop, you basically do something until it becomes false. Alright, so there's no additional variables involved, and we'll be looking at this to see the difference starkly. Alright, so let me just create a variable called var1, and let's just prompt the user to give a number. Okay, so we're just prompting the user to get the number, give the number, while var1 greater than 0. Okay, so in this particular piece of code, what you've done is we're just asking for the user to give an input number. If and while the var1 remains as greater than 0, do this particular piece of code. Run this particular piece of code. The moment var1 becomes 0 or less than 0, quit from this loop, and that's it. Program and ends here. So let's just console .log var1, and let's just decrement var1, because if we don't specify this, we'll be pretty much producing a faulty loop here. So we have specified everything here. So if we just run this now, we will get numbers from the specified number till 1. So if we just pass in 3, we'll be getting 3 to 1. If we're passing 7, then from 7 to 1 we'll be just getting, but we'll never get 0, because that's where the program terminates, and that's where this while loop terminates. So let's just run this and see what we get. Enter a number. So let's just enter 5 and see what we get. So we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the set of numbers that are printed, and that's what we're expecting. If you're specifying a number, that should be from that number to all the way to 1. So that's pretty much it for this while loop. There are a lot of logic that you can use with these loops, and they'll come in handy in the future. So that's it for this video. Thank you.